Hello, Sue Whale here from the Interflora Floristry Trade Club, and I'm going to tell you about azaleas and I'm going to show you how to wrap one.
Why not join us at the Interflora Floristry Trade Club for more information, lots of pictures, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Now the azalea is really popular pot plant, and it's easy to see why. Lovely glossy green foliage, gorgeous flowers. These are a lovely coral colour, but you can get them in white, you can get them in a very deep pink. When you have them in the home, the important thing when you're looking after them is to make sure you have them somewhere cool, because they don't like being in the warmth. So nowhere where there are radiators or direct heat sources or drafts, a nice cool spot. They also don't appreciate being really wet, so don't overwater, and when you do water them using the immersion method. So you actually immerse the pot into water, let it fill up, take it out and let it drain. If you follow those simple instructions, it will flower for weeks and weeks. And the very last thing with the care, if you deadhead it, that will encourage repeat flowering. If you're going to sell these plants for Mother's Day or for any gift occasion, you obviously need to have them gift wrapped. You can't really send them out in a plastic pot. So I'm going to show you a very simple way to gift wrap this plant. All I've done is I've cut a square of coloured Kraft paper, and on top of it I have a bigger square of clear cellophane. And the reason that the cellophane is on top of the paper and not the other way around is that when you water the plant, the paper won't get wet. I'll pop the bow round at the front, turn that around to make that the right way round, and you have there a gift wrapped azalea. When you come up to busy peak periods like Mother's Day, you don't have a lot of time to wrap plants. This method with the paper and the cello is really quick and really easy. I used a contrasting ribbon bow and I tied it with a piece of ribbon long enough to go round the back and come round the front again to tie it neatly underneath. And if you just make sure that the top of the bow is resting on the lid of the rim of the pot underneath, that means the bow won't fall off the wrapping.
Why not join us at the Interflora Floristry Trade Club for more information, lots of pictures, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.